So welcome to our first tutorial on Edmodo. We have first of all, we'll make Edmodo bigger. We're going to log in the top right hand corner. We'll put mouse into it, got our name, so Mickey, it's mouse. And then we'll put the password in after I put the numbers. As I put my password in, I'm going to really make sure that I'm using the right letter. It's going to be an L, not an I. Okay, I'm going to save my password so I don't forget it. And now I'm into my computer. I'm going to come back to the planner in a bit. Don't need to do that yet. First of all, that's my username. And this is my class training group, so I'm going to go to training group. Now here I have my class. First of all, I've got my feed of what's going on. Bobby said, how's everybody? I'm really well, how are you? So I'm going to write, I'm fine too. Hope the class is all well. I'll put a full stop there, that's good. And we've got a video. What do you think of this video? I think I might come back to that a bit later. We'll see what my assignments are that I have to do. So I'm going to go to my planner. My planner is where all my work is. When I go to my work, I've got 2 assignments to do this morning. So I'm going to check which one I do first. I think I'm going to do the quiz first. So that looks like fun. So I'm going to take the quiz. The instructions are just answer the questions, so hopefully it's quite easy. What pumps blood around the body? That's the heart, so I'm going to go next. Where does the blood absorb oxygen? I think that's the lungs, so I'm going to tick on the lungs. Which description is the best scientific description of blood? Which is the best description of blood? Well, it's icky and sticky, so I'm going to put that there. And I'm going to submit my quiz. I'm going to submit it. I only got 2 out of 3, so I'm going to review my quiz. I must have got one wrong. I just wonder which one, but it was the last one. Got heart right, yeah. Got the lungs right, so it was the last one. Alright, so blood isn't icky and sticky. Blood is the fluid that keeps our bodies going. Okay, so that's more scientific. Right, I'm going to now go back to my Edmodo. I'm going to go back to my class actually. I'm going to go to back to my training group, and then I'm going to go back to my planner to do my next piece of work. And this is English. So I'm going to go have a little look at my English plan. So here I've got my activity on the right hand side with the instructions of what to do. I've got some links. So I think the first thing it tells me to do is watch the video. So and then I've got to read the PDF, and then I've got after that to do some writing, and there's a must, should and could. So the must is what I have to do, should is what I should do, and the could is what I could do if I really pushed myself. So what's going to come up here is the PowerPoint of my lesson with the Walter objective. I'm not going to look at this now, I'm going to go back because it tells me to look at the video. If I wanted to watch the video, I'll just click on this link here. The video would play inside the link, or I can make it bigger from the bottom hand corner. We're not going to play that now. I'm just going to show you very briefly what to do. I could then attach different pieces of information for my home. I could attach a file or a link, or I could add a text response. We're not going to go into too much detail about how to add a text response. I'm going to show you this in a later video. So thank you for listening to Introduction to Edmodo. To learn more about the program, click on the next video.